Hi friends, welcome to English Tech. Here in this video, we shall discuss useful phrases and idioms used in daily useful expressions. This video is helpful for improving your spoken English. It will be helpful for your preparation of the competitive examinations like MPSC and UPSC. It is useful for the students of TOEFL, IELTS and GRE also. In short, this video is useful for the preparation of all the competitive examinations. Okay, then let's start. Let's begin with the first phrase, which is useful for daily useful expressions, and that phrase is in the dark. In the dark means in ignorance. The phrase in the dark means in ignorance. For example, he always kept me in the dark about his plans. It means he kept me in ignorance about his plan. He did not tell me anything about his plan. The next phrase is days to come. Days to come means the future. You can effectively make use of this phrase in your speaking. You can simply say, in the days to come, we shall have a flying car. Means, in future, we shall have a flying car. In the days to come, we shall have online examination. In this way, you can make effective use of the phrase days to come. The next important phrase you can use in your daily useful expressions is to lodge a complaint. To lodge a complaint means to make a complaint. For example, if you don't cooperate me, I shall lodge a complaint against you with our boss. In this way, you can use the phrase to lodge a complaint effectively to make your spoken English effective. I shall have one more example of this kind of the phrase to lodge a complaint. She lodged a complaint against her colleague. It means she made a complaint against her colleague. The next important phrase is to set an example means to create an ideal example for the society. For example, by cracking MPSC examination in a very short time, Mohini set an example in the society. We can have one more example of this kind. By completing his medical education in spite of his poverty, he set an example for the students in poverty. In this way, we can use the phrase to set an example effectively to make our spoken English effective. The next important phrase is cutthroat competition. Cutthroat competition means tremendous competition, means life-taking competition. For example, there is a cutthroat competition outside, means there is a tremendous competition outside. There is a life-taking competition outside. We can have one more example of this kind. There is a cutthroat competition in engineering field nowadays. It means there is a tremendous competition in the field of engineering in the present situation. In this way, you can use the phrase a cutthroat competition effectively to make your spoken English effective. The next phrase is in a crack. In a crack means in a moment. The meaning of the phrase in a crack is in a moment. For example, I shall help you in a crack means I shall help you in a moment. He will come here in a crack means he will come here in a moment. There will be fighting between them in a crack means there will be fighting between them in a moment. In this way, you can use the phrase in a crack meaning in a moment. The next phrase is to cry for the moon. To cry for the moon means to expect impossible thing or to work hard for something which is impossible. For example, he is crying for the moon means he is crying for or he is working hard for unexpected or impossible thing. Mohini is crying for the moon by pursuing her career after 40s means after 40s Mohini is pursuing her career and she is working hard for impossible thing. In this way, the moon means to work hard or to expect for impossible thing. The next important phrase is at all costs. At all costs means in any case, in any condition. For example, I shall help you at all costs means I shall help you in any condition. I shall help you in any situation. The next important phrase is to crop up. To crop up means to appear suddenly or to appear unexpectedly. For example, there are lots of questions cropping up in my mind means there are so many questions which are arising in my mind and they are arising unexpectedly. They are arising suddenly. Weeds have cropped up on our ground means weeds have grown up suddenly, unexpectedly on our ground. In this way, the phrase crop up means to arise suddenly or to appear suddenly. The next important phrase is to cut short. To cut short means to be brief. For example, you must cut your speech short. You must cut your speech short means you should be brief in your speech. You should deliver your speech briefly. You should not speak for a long time. In this way, to cut short means to be brief. To cut down. The next important phrase is to cut down. To cut down means to reduce. To cut down means to reduce. For example, many companies have decided to cut down their staff in the wake of COVID-19. Our college has decided to cut down the non-teaching staff due to the government's wrong policy. In this way, to cut down means to reduce, to lessen. In this way, here we discussed some important useful phrases which can be used in our daily expressions to speak English effectively. If you want to impress the people through your spoken English, through your effective English, you must use these phrases in your speaking also. You should use them in your writing also, because in this way you can impress the people so easily. I hope that you might have understood this video. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like icon. To get more updates about the future videos, you please click the bell icon also. Share the video with your friends and relatives if you think that this video is useful for them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, English Tech, please subscribe it. Thank you.